At last, at large, though small where measures end, where concrete cracks in craggy coastal paths, we stray down wilder ways of rock and soil and clinging moss, where earth meets air in aching precipice. Above the clouds, in silence, sweep the shore, and portion patchwork light upon the sea. Below, the waves, in ever-sounding roar, demolish in collisions constantly. No face nor form to blight the naked scene. In seagull song alone, life marks its calling. Then in a kestrel shape, seen suddenly in hanging space, where muscle shrugs off awesome force for all defying stillness. We, like the kestrel, hold our focus long, and find in being here the prize we sought. But he will clutch it tight in talons strong, whilst we must take it home with us in thought.